Hello everyone, I am Veena Gandhi, Assistant Professor from Department of BCA Science. Today in this video you will learn discuss history of C language. As you know, C is very powerful language and we can build any type of application using C language like system software, graphics software, application software, any type of animation software, etc. In 1972, scientist Dennis Ritchie has developed C language. So he is also known as father of C language. But he has combined some features of some previous languages like B language, BCP language. Let us start with history of C language. You can see on the screen how C language had evolved. C has combined some features from ALGOL 60, BCP and B languages, also overcome all their limitations. Now I will discuss in brief all these languages. ALGOL 60 is also known as the root of all modern programming languages. As it was introduced in the early 1960s, it is also known as ALGOL 60. ALGOL stands for Algorithmic Language. It was the first block structure programming language. After that, in 1967, Martin Richards had developed a language called BCPL. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. This language had firstly introduced opening and closing curly braces to delimit the code block. It mainly focused on writing system software. After 3 years in 1970, Ken Thompson had developed a language using many features of BCPL and simply called as B. B is the first letter of BCPL. This language was initially used to create Unix operating system at AT&T Bell Laboratories. Both BCPL and B were typeless programming languages. As BCPL and B were typeless and machine-dependent language, so there is a need of system programming language which was portable. So Dennis Ritchie had worked on these limitations during 1969 to 1972 at Bell Laboratories. He combined some features from ALGOL 60, BCPL and B language. He also introduced new concept of data types. C language got first officially published in 1972. It is so famous language and powerful language so that its operating system is completely again rewritten in C language. In 1978, Dennis Ritchie and Brian Kenigan published the description of C language first time. They have added new features like qualifiers, short and INT qualifiers, type def keyword, union keyword, typecasting, etc. They also published the first book on C language, the C programming language. This book is also popularly known as CARE and RC book. 1989, American National Standard Institute, that is ANSI, sets the base on all the version of C compilers and published the first standard of C. This is known as C89. In 1990, the ANSI standard with some formatting changes was adopted by ISO. It is also called as C90. In year 1999, C has revised with new features like inline functions, new types like long INT, complex types, variable length array, flexible array members, etc. It is also commonly referred as C99. In 2011, C99 further revised to add new features like new library files, generic macros, anomalous structure, improve Unicode support, also multi-threading and bound check functions. Thus, C has revised from 1972 till 2011. Thank you for watching this video.